So this is one of our planting machines. That's an on the turf planter, flower bulb planter. We got two in the UK now. That's a UK contractor working for us. He is in Warrington and he's doing the jobs for us. This planting machine is planting on the turf. This iron knife is cutting the turf. And then two iron feet, they go underneath the turf. They open a flower bed, creating a flower bed 1 meter wide. In this bucket we put it in the mixtures. Depends on what people want, which mixture and which density. We can adjust the density of the flower bulbs a square meter by a belt. Then through the belt, the bulbs are falling through this tunnel. It's falling underneath the grass, the turf. And after the bulbs are on the flower bed, the turf is closing automatically. And with a big wheel, what is behind it, is rolling the turf, and your job is done. We can do 10 till 15,000 bulbs a square, or in an hour, sorry, and 1,500 square meters a day with this machine. And this machine is planting 1 meter wide. We got another machine what is planting on embankments, 35 degrees, and we got another machine what can plant between trees. So this one is behind the tractor, but we got another machine what is beside the tractor and planting between trees. So when you got 10 meters between the tree, you start near the tree till the end, take the machine out and planting the next one, the next tree.